Avalon self-cleaning bottleless water cooler dispenser with innovative slim design. There are many things this unit claims to do and does them all. First, it uses a smart, slim design which makes it easier to fit into your kitchen. Second, it's Energy Star approved and very efficient for a bottleless option. Finally, it sets up directly to your kitchen sink's water line. But how does this bottleless water design work? The Avalon self-cleaning bottleless water cooler dispenser with innovative slim design unit relies on a water line that connects to the same line that provides water for your kitchen sink. Although many people figure out how to install with a few hours of work over the weekend, it may be best to hire a plumber. This is the best Avalon bottleless water cooler for your home. The entire unit is easy to clean and has a removable drip tray that you can put straight into the dishwasher. This unit goes above and beyond with its multi-stage filtration system. The filter system eliminates chlorine, lead, bacteria, and fights against rust.